Today, on Our American Republic, we're going to talk about the judicial branch of the federal government. When the founders wrote our Constitution, the judicial branch was conceived to help ensure that no legislative act, contrary to the Constitution, can be valid. In review, Congress controls both the power of the purse and the drafting of law, and the President controls law enforcement and commands the military. By contrast, the judicial branch determines the enforceability of laws, ensuring standardized legal review, and it also oversees the resolution of disputes under the laws, including legal disputes among the states. The judiciary exists to ensure that trials under the law and legal reviews themselves will not be conducted abusively against the states or the people by the lawmakers in Congress or the law enforcers in the executive branch. The judicial branch is the weakest of the three branches and may only operate to provide insights on constitutionality or enforceability of laws when called to review a specific case. The judiciary, comprised of the federal court system and headed by the Supreme Court, was created as the only branch with a purely reactionary role. Therefore, it cannot proactively review standing law or policy unless reviews are specifically requested by the states, the people, or another branch of the federal government. Article 1 of the Constitution explicitly vests all lawmaking power in Congress, which implicitly prohibits the judicial branch from doing anything more than nullifying unconstitutional laws or declaring specific practices unconstitutional. These powers only apply to cases involving United States persons or U.S. legal entities. The weakness of the branch begins to show when the judiciary interprets laws outside of the intentions of Congress, the people, the states, or the Constitution. If the judge's rulings reflect such an undesirable interpretation, Congress may simply pass new laws with wording crafted to correct the judicial interpretation. In extreme cases, either Congress could pass or the states could author an amendment rewriting the Constitution to correct the interpretation once and for all. The judicial branch is a key part of our American Republic because it provides a check against both Congress and the President. Its role is to protect the states and the people from any unconstitutional conduct to preserve American freedom. The court's review of laws, in accordance with the American Constitution, is critical to the survival of our republic. In any case, the founders clearly defined the roles of all three branches of the federal government and the states in maintaining proper balance of powers within our constitutional system. What can we do to keep the courts within the boundaries of American law? How does a constitutional court system protect our freedom?